this is Elisa with WTI. Let me confess to you that I'm not good with makeup, but I've always liked eyeliner. I have a shaky hand, so I needed something that was short, just like this one. And I want to tell you how this one has worked perfectly. This is the Revlon ColorStay liquid liner. I like that this, first of all, has a very fine felt tip, which is great. I also chose this color that it's like a rich black color. Right here, I don't have any on. I'm gonna be putting it in front of you guys. I'm trying my best. I'm not a makeup girl, but I really feel like eyeliner helps your eyes look more lifted and youthful. Something I liked about this brand too, Revlon ColorStay, is that it's waterproof and it can last up to 16 hours. I've been liking it and I've been loving the price as well. So if you're looking for that eyeliner that's easy to use at a great price, then go for this one, but that's just my point of view.